Hi guys, I built this garbage truck and this garbage bin. So this it's supposed to be able to pick up trash and stuff. So let's do one right here. So let's say this is your house and this is your garbage bin. So it's going to pick it up like this and then hold it and then dump the trash in. And it's gonna go right out, it's gonna do it again, but it's gonna put it back down. And then, let's say this is my house, all the way right here. The garbage truck's gonna come and then pick it up. But since the ground is there, it's gonna be hard to taking it out.
That's okay.
But I don't care, okay? It's just how you do it. No, you do it. You can also put stuff in here. See, and look, since mine is big, I can put this in there, that in there, this thing in there too. Yeah. Some parts would want to come off very easy, but that doesn't matter to me.
This is the platform I made for the trash.
And now
It's easy. Just get
it's
these
now
two,
going to leave.
and just get these.
Leave. Let's say this is the garbage station. It's gonna go here. It's gonna back up, and this is like the trash. It's going to go pick that up, and it's gonna dump it out. All of it. Oh, geez. Sometimes that wants to happen because this garbage bin. Let's say I'm the garbage truck and you're the garbage bin. You put your garbage bin in there. So you put it in there and then you left. And then I came and I load it up in here. I pick it up and I put all your trash in here. Sometimes it wants to come off like what you just saw. So bye.